Hello friend, my name is Kaparya Jai. I am from SDJ International College and I am my roll number is 350 and division is C. Here first our show about insurance. Insurance is a contract represented by the policy in which an individual or entity receives financial protection or reimbursement against the losses from insurance company. The company pulls a client risk to make a payment more affordable for insurer. Gambling. Gambling, the betting of stocking of something of a value which a consciousness of a risk and hope of gain of the outcome of a game or contest or an certain event whose result may be determined by the chance or accident or have an unexpected result by the reason of the better miscalculation. Now we are so about the difference between insurance and gambling. Insurance. The aims of taking an insurance is not to gain profit but to secure protection against the risks in future. Gambling. The aim of a gambling is to gain profit from the uncertainty living in the event. The insured person has his interest in the insurance sum. Gambling. The better person has a risk in gambling. There is a risk before insurance contract and gambling. In the gambling, there is no risk at the time of contract. Insurance is a legal agreement or contract, yet where gambling is a illegal agreement. In insurance, there is a gain against the loss, and in gambling, there is nothing like a gain against the loss. Insurance is there a cover against the risks of or loss. In gambling, there is a danger to both the batsman and gamble. In insurance, there is a proper loss as well as a proper risk. In a gambling, actually there is no risk but has been involved. Insurance gets an amount in form of a premium for the insurance the risk. Gambling, no much a provision exit in gambling. In insurance against the proper risk, the insured amount is paid against the covering the risk. In gambling, there is no existence of proper risk. In insurance scheme against the misfortunate or accidental risk, there is a gain against the luck, and therefore gambling is a gambling. The fortunate gets heavenly profit, and we are presentation end over here. Thank you so much for listening me.